Today's demonstration will be how to colorize and enhance the opportunities view in Dynamics CRM using IQ editable grids. Here's the standard view from CRM. When you look at this, it gives you all the basic data, but it is somewhat lacking. Also, you can't update any figures. You might just want to be able to update the email if it's missing, or change the date, or actual revenue that might have been done, or the probability and the rating. You have to open up every record to go into them. The alternate way to do this, I have added an extra opportunities tab. Here is the original. Here is the IQM experience. As you can see, by adding color, we have a much clearer representation of what's going on. We can see which ones are won, what one's lost, and what's open. We can also update an email address. We can change or input some revenue. So the actual revenue might have been $20,000. The estimated revenue was $15,000. We can change the status. We can also change our probability. I would like to show you how you can do this in under 15 minutes with IQ Grid. We'll start by going to IQ Grids. From the settings menu, within the My Fierce Grids IQ Grid setup, you can categorize grids. So here's the one I made previously. What we're going to do is make a new one, just for the demonstration. As you can see, the CRM grid takes a bit of work. Going to use it as an option of dashboard. This can be used as a dashboard or as a menu item. And we're going to select the entity opportunity. Now we've got the opportunity, we have to decide what fields we want. The order that we select these actually dictates the order that they will display on the grid. This can be changed later. However, it's usually much easier to select these in the correct order to start with. Here I'm just matching the items the same as the normal view. Okay, if we move down the page, you'll now see that we have all our fields set up to be displayed on the grid. Now a few of these, I don't want anyone to be able to change, so I'm just going to lock these fields. The rest will allow to be changed. At this point, we've actually generated a grid. Now the key is to take this GUID. This GUID relates all grids, no matter whether they're on a dashboard, a header, or on a form, to the configuration file. So if we take that XRM toolbox, we can simply select the sitemap editor, connect to our organization, load our existing sitemap, navigate to our sales area. What we've found here is here's our opportunities original. You can see the configuration, and what I've done is we just copy that. So when I copy it, it's copied exactly the same, except we add this red resource line in. So I'll just show you how that works. So we can copy, paste. It'll create a duplicate with a new name, so we're going to call this, just give it a new name for now. and this comes with the grid, but we will take this web resource section, we will add it to the URL, we will retrieve our GUID, add it to our sitemap, update the sitemap, after a quick refresh, we can now navigate to our sales section and discover we have a second opportunities tab. As you can see, this grid is displaying some items. However, it's not coloured or anything. So this is the first part of the first stage of the operation. So we'll return to the grid. We'll enter our opportunities to grid. And the first thing we're going to do is how many records we'd like to display. As a standard, it's a 5 record, but as a menu, you can easily display 25 records. Just click save on there. And if we want to adjust the color based on our status, we can simply find our status, move across to the cell. Here we can add some formatting. So let's make it red if it's lost, green if it's won. Oops. Sorry, you need to press choose. And why don't we just give it a bit of a yellow if it's open. Okay, we can just set our rule base here. So this is lost, this is won, this is open. We click on OK and save. We'll return to the sales section, opportunities. And now you can see our status is coloured. And the part we need to do, because of the status, is a standard record within our within CRM. We need to find. We come down to the status, and at the moment it only shows active, which is an open status. So if we select here and we just check the other 3, set condition, hit save, we'll return to our opportunities 2. You'll now see that we have all our statuses. We can also apply the formatting across the entire row. So let's give everything that's hot a slight pink colour. We'll make warm orange and we'll make cold blue. So we return to the grid. And we'll go to our rating. We'll add our 3 fields. So first off, we're going to have a cold one. This can be blue. We want a nice purple. Let's go pink for something different. And then we will give the orange for warm. Now we've done that, we'll simply apply it to all rows. The condition again is an equals. This one is cold, hot, hot pink, and warm. Just one small note. When we use an equals condition, the order of these rules is irrelevant. However, when we use greater than, less than type commands, we need to sometimes rearrange the orders. And we can easily do that just by the drag and drop handlebars, and we can move these around. Okay. The same goes for any field on the grid. You can simply drag and drop the position of the grid rows wherever you like. So now we've got that, let's go back and have another look. Wow, it's a bit very loud. However, I'm sure you can get the picture. Hope you've enjoyed this short demonstration. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me.